everyone, welcome to my channel. Today it's Lynn here. So today I'm popping in to share my make for the autumn Halloween collaboration, which is hosted by Elisa at Crafting Diva. I will leave a link to Lisa's channel in my description box below, along with all the other people who are taking part. So today I have made a diamond stepper card, and to create the card I've used a piece of my craft card which I've scored to create the 3 steps on the card. Then I've cut out 3 diamond shapes coming down in smaller sizes, and then I've used my lovely Sunflower Collection paper pad, which is from a Simply Cards and Paper Craft magazine, either earlier this year or last year. So all I've done is I've cut down the papers and I've popped 3 of the strips of paper onto the 3 steps of the card, and then I've popped my 3 diamonds onto the card. So what I did here was I just, where the score line is, I've just lifted the diamond shape slightly up from the score line and come in from the side of the card and pop my diamond shape, and then I've layered my sunflower papers over the top, and on the biggest diamond I've popped the sentiment, embrace the seasons and cycles of life, there is magic and change. I think that's a lovely little sentiment. And then onto my next one I came down, and when I stuck the diamonds on, I came down obviously in size from the largest to a medium sized diamond, and to pop them onto the card I lined the side of the medium sized diamond up with the larger one and lined it up across this side and popped it onto my card like so, layered my sunflower paper, and then popped this lovely little autumn blessings onto that one. And then again for my smaller diamond I lined my sides up with the medium sized diamond and glued it onto the front of my card. I fussy cut one of the sunflowers from the collection and popped it onto the front of the card, and my card just stands up beautifully like so, and you can see each of the steps and each of the diamonds. So yeah, this is my first time joining in, and I'm really looking forward to my next autumn make. So that's it for today. Thank you ever so much for joining me. I will be back again very soon with another video. In the meantime, happy crafting, have a wonderful day, take care, see you soon, and bye bye for now.